Yeah, I think I had a 24-hour cold because I felt like shit last night. Feeling better today anyway. So now I'm gonna fly home. Via Lake George. Did I feel like it? Oh, that wind is wicked. Half the reason I didn't videotape. Yeah. Almost the whole reason why I didn't videotape on the way up here. Because it was all wind. But hopefully we can run with it in a second or two. Don't worry, the wind will kill the battery. Yes, it will. Oh, resistance. Resistance is futile. Alright, let's go. Okay, cars everywhere. Not even a nice day until tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be back up in the 50s. Yeah, it'd be nice. Maybe. We don't know. Bucking the wind. I got air up my rear tire a little bit. I knew I had to get out and do something. Slow down because you don't know who's coming. Still got a lot of wind. The brakes work. Oh, the fucking wind is horrible. Oh. Oh. Yeah, the wind is wicked. Had to see the ducks. Ooh, ducks, ducks, ducks. Look, it's all water now. Oh, beautiful. Nice. They yell at my camera. Squirrel. Screamer on Lake George. Get the wind to push me. There, getting up to full throttle. Humming. Brakes work. This is a fun semi-short ride. That was a sketchy sidewalk. These are courteous people. Well, thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you tomorrow riding something. Yeah, riding something. Yeah, something. Yeah, riding something.